How to turn off Instagram dark mode. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. As you can see in my case, Instagram is in dark mode. So to turn it off, open settings. In settings, click on display. After you click on display, you will find all these options. Scroll down and click on dark mode. After you click on dark mode, you will find option which is manual. Simply turn it off. After you turn off manual, open your Instagram and your Instagram will be in light mode and the dark mode will be turned off. This is how to turn off Instagram dark mode. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.